I'm not sure if you guys know this, but you don't need to wait until your brakes are squealing in pain to get them looked at. It's true. So when do you need to get your brakes checked? We'll find out today in the Harr Motors Minute. We're now joined by Brett. He's one of our service consultants at Harr Motors. Brett, how's it going today?
Not so bad. And yourself?
I'm hanging in there. Been pretty busy.
Oh yeah, always busy.
Dealing with a lot of brakes?
Oh, basically every other day.
Every other day. So I'm assuming you answer questions about brakes on a day-to-day basis.
Yes, sir.
So maybe you can explain to people when they need to bring in their vehicles to get their brakes checked.
Might as well give it a try.
All right. So do you think you could do it in 60 seconds or less?
I think so.
All right, we got a clock here. We're going to get it started. Are you ready?
Yeah.
In 3, 2, 1. Good luck.
So we all may have heard that screeching sound. Could be brake pads, we don't know. Bring it into Harr Motors where our certified technicians could do a full multi-point inspection. This is what your brake pads may look like. Green, 8 to 10 millimeters, not so bad. Yellow, it's okay, it's marginal, we'll keep an eye on it. Red, stop. We're going to want to replace those brake pads and get you taken care of. So bring it in so our family can get you on a good routine, so let our family help yours.
So there you have it, guys. Hopefully that puts all of your questions about your brakes to a screeching halt. And as always, be sure to stop out to Harr Motors for the best sales and service. I'm Zach, and this has been the Harr Motors Minute.